Genes, the code of life. Everything about life on our planet is closely related to it.
These little bits of DNA that we are now calling genes are very important for the functioning of the body.
That type of research can give us insight into what happens at the molecular level and also gives us help on looking at the sources of aging.
Unlock your potential and discover the best you.
Everybody has unique skin, and everybody is different, and a lot of different factors can go into the way your skin feels and the way that your skin looks.
And the primary function of a gene is to produce a protein. And this protein then helps a particular tissue in the body to behave normally and to remain healthy. So gene expression is really a way to describe when a gene is being switched on. It's almost like a light switch. You can turn on the light with the switch, or you can switch it off.
基因表达是我们时时刻刻在改变的，同时呢，我们是可以通过一些手段去进行干预的。
For example, we have discovered that gene expression gets slower and slower as you get older. So if we can restore the normal gene expression of age-related genes, then we believe that such products can help a person to slow down the aging process.
通过对于全基因组的一个扫描呢，那么去比较年轻的和衰老的他们的基因表达谱有什么差异，并且跨物种的去寻找出共同的这些差异表达的基因。
Among the 23,000 genes in the human genome, we have discovered that several thousand of those genes are very important in controlling aging of the body.
我们因为已经找到了跟衰老相关的基因表达，找到了它，我们就有机会通过一些手段去对这些基因表达去进行干预。
Fundamentally, with our ingredients and all the research, is to see how we can restore original gene expression. That's really what we're trying to do with our products, is to influence and restore the gene expression of certain type of genes.
Scientists are utilizing gene expression profiling technologies to develop ways of affecting cell genes.
By studying gene expression, we learn by moving cells that we can actually increase the amount of protein production in the skin. When we move skin cells, by moving the extracellular matrix, we can increase collagen, elastin, biglycan, and other important structural proteins.
The results have proved that movements can regulate gene expression in cells. So, can it be applied to the skin?
We had 70 plus different formulas that we were testing, that we were looking at to find out what type of movements would be the right movements to provide the right skin benefits.
Counter oscillation actually moves the skin in the appropriate way so that we get the skin benefits. Counter oscillation moves the skin in both directions, that's why it's called counter. And by this method, we can increase important proteins in the skin. By studying gene expression in skin cells, we learned that a biphasic modulated pulse microcurrent can actually increase important molecules in the skin. It activates, it energizes the skin. Over the last 20 years, there have been several improvements in microcurrent technology, beginning with galvanic microcurrent. The next change was using a pulsed microcurrent, biphasic, and the third type, invented, patent applied for, is biphasic modulated pulsed microcurrent. The modulation means that the pulses are always different. And what this does is it confuses the skin.
Technological innovations come with better effects and results, but also put forward new challenge for the formula to match with it.
A few of the unique challenges we had when we were creating a formula with the Boost device was that it needed to have the right conductivity in order for the device to provide the right benefits to the skin.
From microcurrent to pulse current, and then to variable pulsed microcurrent. Just as in life, challenges would only be overcome by determination.
In the field of skincare these days, we've been able to have many breakthroughs. And I think one of the more important breakthroughs is having something that can be personalized to you. We have many tools that we can use to find out what people need for their particular skin.
When we are still thinking about the significance of the new wave of genetic skincare, the gene expression technology has already shown us new possibilities. This series of applications has changed our understanding of themselves and our lives up until now.